you for joining in, and for today's video I have another unboxing from the UK. This is the second time that I've ordered from Jackson's Art online, and if you don't know, this is a big art store in the UK in London, and I just received the package today. And I ordered a couple of brushes and some pans for my watercolors and gouache. And I ordered, let's see here, there's two different types of brushes. Oh, that's right, there's three. Three in total there. Okay, let's see. Ooh. I am excited. They look really nice. Especially this big one in the middle. Okay, let's see. And just like last time, these are packaged really well. See here. I have, ooh, this handle is really nice and smooth. This is, the Dagger brush, and it's 1/4, and this is from the Princeton brush line. And it has the plastic top on it. That's really nice. Let's see, and these other ones are the Jackson's brand. These are the Quills. Again, with the little plastic top, and then the binder. These are going to have to be washed. But I didn't have any this size, so I wanted to order some new ones, and then I have like a fatter one for a mop. This one is the Quill number 3 synthetic Sable mix. Let's see here. I really like the color of this handle too, that's pretty. And this one, let's see, checking the list here. The golden Quill, and this is a size, the 6. Okay, I will put in the description too exactly what it says. Oh, this is really nice. This is going to be a really, again, I have to wash the binding off of them. That's going to be a really nice mop brush. Yeah, that handle is really nice. Oh, and we have one more here. This should be my watercolor, oops, the little squares here. Let's see here. Oh, it's in the bag. Yeah, there they are. Oops. My little tiny pans there. I needed extra of them because I'm going to make myself a different palette with my gouaches and the watercolors. think it was 12 of them. And these are the half pans, the size. And Jackson's, they were having one of their sales, which is nice. So I got everything at a good deal. The brushes were on sale. Especially this one, the Princeton ones, because the Princeton ones can be expensive. But at Jackson's, they always have better prices I've seen than most places. I have one of the Neptune brushes from the Princeton line too. That's really nice. Mini Detailer, it says. This is a really nice brush. I will show close-ups of everything too in the end. And in upcoming videos, I will also have tutorials and do demonstrations using these brushes. And I'll also do one when I fix my palette and get everything situated, and I'll give an update on how these little pans worked out. They looked exactly the same as the other one, so it should be fine to fit in a tin, and then just to color coordinate and line them up. But this was just a quick mini haul. And like I said, make sure to subscribe and like the video and stay tuned for more updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I also wanted to mention that if you are new to Jackson's art, you can feel free to use my 10% off your very first order. There's a link in the description down below.